using this 8-foot fiberglass ladder since I built the cabin to get up in the loft. I don't go up there very often, but my kids sleep up there sometimes if they come. But I want to build a ladder, so I constructed these at home. They're just 2x4s, but I cut. Let's see if we can see this. I drilled a 1-inch hole and rounded the edge and sanded it all down so I can mount it up on this 1/2 inch. Well, actually I think that's a 3/4 inch hole. This is a 1/2 inch pipe with the flanges. So the idea is to stick it up here, have it be able to rotate rotate up so I can lift it up above, and I have these are just fold down shelves, so it's this bracket, so I can lift it up and lift this up and have it rest up here and down it just above the door like that, maybe up like that, so it's above the door, it's not going to be in anybody's way, and I can fold it up and down. That's the idea anyways. I don't know if it's going to work, but that's what we'll try. This is the ladder that actually came with the cabin, intended to go into the loft, but it is, I think it's like 11 feet tall. It's ridiculous. So I don't know how, I mean, it would like literally go to the peak of the interior of the roof of the cabin pretty much. So, but I'm gonna use the same angles because then I don't have to measure anything. I could just pull the angles off of this. I'm not gonna notch the 2x4s in there like this. I don't think anyways. But I'll basically make it like this and use the rotate it on that pipe, and I'll just pull the angles off of this. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let's go see if that angle works. Alright, I got the layout all marked. So I have all my treads pre-cut. I'll start installing those. Just putting one screw each in the center, and then I will come back around when I set it up and adjust each one level, rotate the tread. At least that's what I'm thinking anyway. Hey, no. So theoretically I can rotate that once it's set up, and then I can nail it. does that look so bad? Is it just my perspective? It must be. Alright, so that got them all level. Now I'm going to shoot some nails into here. Wrench or something for this. Let's see how this works. Alright, so here's the finished product. It's not the prettiest thing in the world once it's up, but it's out of the way. Door opens. It's easy to raise up, raise down, and I have a little bit of side to side movement. Seems pretty solid. I don't know. I wouldn't look. I'll go up here often, so. Not too bad. So I guess I could hang towels and stuff up there too. I don't know. Not so sure how I like the looks of it. Look at it sitting down. It's not so bad. At least I can get this ladder out of here now. So, all right. Well, that was one quick project, and I did most of the prep work before I came up here, so that was good. So, yeah, on to the next one. I'll be staying in the cabin next. So, thanks for watching.